Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is real life Sharknado. Okay, I've turned the fan on, and the process has begun. Go ahead, Millie. Finish. Get him. This is a real life Sharknado that's happening right now. Get him, Millie. Get him. Get him. Good girl. Get the other one.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Get that one. Oh, man. Oh! Face plant. Get on the couch. Get it. Oh, she's getting frustrated, so I will be turning the fan speed down to slow now because it's getting a little cruel. Oops, I turned it to off. Now it's going to slow. Okay, we got some tangled guys here. Uh-oh. Nothing we can do about it. They're tangled. This is just what's happening. Oh, man. Oh! Okay.